Have you ever wondered what creates the dazzling northern lights in the sky? These enchanting lights are the result of a celestial dance happening far above us. When particles from the sun collide with Earth's magnetic field, they create a spectacular light show. These particles are charged with solar energy, and when they meet our planet's magnetic shield, they burst into a symphony of colors. But did you know that different gases create the various hues we see? Oxygen molecules dancing about 60 miles above Earth give us the common green and rare red auroras, while nitrogen produces blue or purplish red auroras. So the northern lights are more than just a beautiful spectacle. They're a testament to the fascinating interactions between our planet and the sun. So the next time you see those beautiful colors in the sky, remember, it's just Earth's magnetic field putting on a show. Ever been curious about who holds the record for the longest time in space and their cosmic journey? Now, let's dive into the story of a real-life space adventurer, Valeri Polyakov. This Russian cosmonaut spent an astounding 437 days aboard the Mir space station, a feat that has yet to be surpassed. From January 29th, 1994, until March 22nd, 1995, Polyakov orbited our planet, witnessing about 7,000 sunrises and sunsets from the station's windows. His mission? To study the effects of long-term space travel on the human body. His findings have been invaluable, helping us understand the physical and psychological challenges astronauts face during extended missions. Polyakov's record-breaking journey is a testament to human endurance and our insatiable curiosity about the cosmos. And who knows what new records future astronauts will set as we continue exploring the cosmos. Why is the Fibonacci sequence fascinating, and where does it show up in nature's design? Well, if you're not familiar, the Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. It starts off like this: 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. Now, here's the fascinating part. This sequence shows up in the most unexpected places in nature. Take a look at a sunflower. The number of petals on a sunflower is typically a number from the Fibonacci sequence. And it doesn't stop there. The spirals on a pine cone? Those follow the sequence too. Even the arrangement of a pineapple's bumps adheres to this mathematical pattern. It's like nature has a secret mathematical code, and that code is the Fibonacci sequence. It reveals an incredible pattern of growth and symmetry in the living world. From sunflowers to galaxies, nature seems to have a favorite number pattern. Did you know which ancient wonder stood tall as the world's tallest structure for thousands of years? The Great Pyramid of Giza, an awe-inspiring monument that has fascinated generations. Built around 4,500 years ago, this colossal structure was constructed from over 2 million blocks of stone, each weighing about 2.5 tons. Its sheer size and precision in alignment, not just with the cardinal points, but also with celestial bodies, is nothing short of amazing. This pyramid, the largest of the three in Giza, was built as a tomb for the pharaoh Khufu and signifies the ancient Egyptians' deep-rooted belief in the afterlife and cosmic order. Towering over everything else for over 3,800 years, it stands as an enduring testament to the engineering prowess of the ancients. The Great Pyramid of Giza, a testament to human innovation and a symbol of our connection to the cosmos. Ever experienced the Mandela effect? Let's explore a quirky example involving a board game character. The Mandela effect is a peculiar phenomenon where a large group of people remembers an event or detail one way, but in reality, it's something entirely different. It's named after the late South African leader Nelson Mandela, who many people erroneously remembered as having died in prison during the 1980s. Now let's dive into a classic example of this phenomenon, the Monopoly Man, or as he's officially known, Rich Uncle Pennybags. If you're asked to describe him, you might mention his top hat, cane, and of course his monocle. But hold on a second. Despite what our collective memory might tell us, the Monopoly Man does not wear a monocle. It's a fascinating instance of the Mandela effect, where a false memory has become ingrained in our minds. So no, the Monopoly Man doesn't have a monocle. Our brains just played a little trick on us. Discovering the secrets of the universe happens at the Large Hadron Collider, LHC. What's the buzz about this colossal machine? Well, imagine a gigantic playground for particles. This mind-blowing structure, located near Geneva, is the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator. It's a 17-mile ring of superconducting magnets that's designed to get particles moving at nearly the speed of light. When these particles collide, they break apart and reveal even tinier particles, some of which have never been seen before. It's like smashing a clock to find out what makes it tick. These high-energy experiments are helping scientists delve into the fundamental laws of nature. They're investigating the very building blocks of the universe, from the smallest particles to the vastness of cosmos. The LHC, a playground for particles, and a key to unlocking the universe's mysteries. Who stumbled upon the first antibiotic, and how did it change the world of medicine? Now this is a tale of serendipity. Picture this. It's 1928 and a scientist named Alexander Fleming returns to his cluttered lab after a vacation. He finds a petri dish with bacteria now covered with a mysterious mold. Instead of tossing it away, Fleming studies it and makes a groundbreaking observation. The mold, which he later identifies as Penicillium notatum, has killed the surrounding bacteria. This is the birth of the first antibiotic, penicillin. Fleming's accidental discovery revolutionized the field of medicine. Before this, a simple bacterial infection could be a death sentence. But with penicillin, doctors now had a potent weapon to fight these microscopic invaders. This miracle drug has saved countless lives since its discovery, transforming the way we treat infections. From an accidental discovery to a life-saving medication, that's the power of science. Experience the Bader-Meinhof phenomenon. Why does that new thing suddenly seem everywhere? This intriguing occurrence is actually your brain's doing. You see, our minds have a knack for patterns, and once we learn a new word, thing, or idea, the brain suddenly starts recognizing it everywhere. It's like your brain is playing a game of I Spy with the world around you. This phenomenon, formerly known as the Bader-Meinhof phenomenon, or the frequency illusion, is essentially your brain's way of processing new information. It's an internal spotlight, highlighting the newly learned concept in every nook and cranny of your daily life. It's a testament to the brain's incredible capacity for pattern recognition, but it can also lead to a fascinating twist in our perception. So remember, the next time you notice something everywhere, it's just your brain shining a spotlight. Dive into the cosmic mysteries of dark matter. What is it, and why does it matter in the vastness of space? Let's unravel this together. Dark matter is a term for a substance that's detected through its gravitational influence on visible matter. It's the unseen puppet master of the cosmos. Despite it being invisible to our current technology, we know it's there because of the way galaxies spin and cluster together. Without dark matter, these galaxies would simply fly apart. So in a way, dark matter is the cosmic glue holding the universe together. It makes up about 85% of the universe's matter, yet remains one of the most puzzling concepts in astrophysics. Scientists are still trying to figure out what it's made of and how it works. But one thing's for certain, dark matter, the cosmic enigma, silently shapes our universe. Dark matter may be invisible, but its effects are undeniable, silently shaping our universe. Unravel the cosmic significance of the number 42 in pop culture and science fiction. The number 42 has a special place in the realm of science fiction, largely due to its prominence in Douglas Adams's cult classic, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. In the novel, a supercomputer named Deep Thought is asked to find the answer to the ultimate question of life, the universe, and everything. After 7.5 million years of computation, the answer it comes up with is simply 42. Although the characters are initially baffled by this seemingly nonsensical answer, it has since sparked countless debates, interpretations, and philosophical ponderings among fans and scholars alike. Is it a random joke, a profound statement, or a coded message? The number 42 has thus become a symbol of the unknown and the unexplainable, a testament to the boundless mysteries and uncertainties of the universe. 42, a number that sparks philosophical ponderings and reminds us of life's whimsical mysteries.